how to put a code in Temu discount code. If you want to put a code in Temu and also apply a discount code, it's actually quite very simple for us to do so. All we have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the Temu app, and then you want to make sure that you're signed into your account. Then after you make sure that you're signed into your account, you want to simply make sure to go ahead and then add the products that you want to buy to your cart. Then when you go to your cart page, you want to simply go ahead and then select the checkout button. So go ahead and then add the multiple products that you want. Then once done, tap on the checkout button. Now on the checkout button, under the payment methods, you can see to apply payment method. But if you want to put a code, you can see the option called apply coupon code. So of course, all you have to do is just hit the apply coupon code button here and simply make sure to type in your code. Once you paste the code, depending upon the discount, you'll be able to get that discount within your Temu order. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.